So, I compared the Arlo Ultra 3 and Pro 6. And here's what I found. They're both good cameras, but they're aimed at slightly different people. The Ultra 3 is the more advanced option. You get higher resolution, a wider view, and better detail, which is useful if you want to see more around your property. It also has some smarter features, so it's the one that feels more future-proof. But here's the thing. All those extra features come at a price. The Ultra 3 is more expensive, and if you're just looking for a reliable security camera to watch your home, you might not actually notice enough of a difference to justify spending more. The Pro 6 is the simpler choice. It still gives you good image quality, solid night vision, motion detection, and the features most people actually need. It's not trying to be the most advanced camera on the market, but it gets the basics right without costing as much. So, which one should you pick? Go with the Ultra 3 if you want the best image quality and don't mind paying extra for the newest features. But if you just want a dependable security camera without overcomplicating things, the Pro 6 makes more sense. Basically, Ultra 3 is the better camera on paper, but Pro 6 could be the better value for most people. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.